Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change shipping address on Goat. So let's get into the video. So firstly, when you go to the Goat site or the app, just open it up and then log into your account. You need to be logged into your account, and then now if you want to change your shipping address for an item that you have already placed, so when you get to your orders here, so for example, just click on your profile. So here, so just click on it, and then if you go to your orders option here, so now on your account here, if you click on the shipping addresses, this will list up these address that you have currently saved, and unfortunately there's no option here to change it, so you won't be able to change your shipping address for an item that you have already placed order for. So the best workaround for this is simply what you can do, just cancel the order that you have made. So simply cancel it, just go to orders and then select the orders and then hit on the cancel button and just cancel it, and then reorder it. So when you reorder it, just add in the correct shipping address or the new shipping address that you wish to purchase it with. So just this is the best workaround we have at this moment, as there's no direct ways to change the shipping address once been placed, or else you just have to hit on the support and then reach out to the support team and get it changed for you, but that might take some time. But the quickest way is just to cancel the order and reorder it with the correct address. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.